This is about baseline performance and resources when it comes to the measurement performance domain. The most common baselines are cost and schedule. First, let's focus on schedule measurements. Most schedule measures track actual performance to planned performance related to things like the following: comparing the actual start dates to the planned start dates and the actual finish dates to the planned finish dates. This can measure the extent to which the work is accomplished as planned. There is the actual effort and duration that is compared to the planned effort and duration. This indicates whether estimates for the amount of work and the time the work takes are valid. Another measurement is the schedule variance, or SVV. This is determined by looking at the performance on the critical path. When it is used with earned value management, it is the difference between the earned value and the planned value. There is also an index that is an earned value management measurement that indicates how efficiently the scheduled work is being performed. That is called the Schedule Performance Index, or SPI. And there are the feature completion rates. This looks at the rate of feature acceptance during frequent reviews. It can help assess progress and estimate completion dates and costs. That's it for schedule measurements. Now let's talk about the common cost measures. This includes things like actual costs compared to planned costs. This compares the actual for the labor or resources to the estimated cost. This is also called the burn rate. If you want to compare the actual cost of a deliverable to the estimated cost, you would use a simple cost variance, or CV. When it is used with earned value management, it's the difference between the earned value and the actual cost. And finally, there is the Cost Performance Index, or CPI. This is an earned value management measure that indicates how efficiently the work is being performed with regard to the budgeted cost of the work. A subset of cost measurement is resource measurements, because resource variances frequently lead to cost variances. There are two measures that evaluate price variance and usage variance. The first one is planned resource utilization compared to actual resource utilization. This measurement compares the actual usage of resources to the estimated usage. A usage variance is calculated by subtracting the planned usage from the actual usage. The second one is planned resource cost compared to the actual resource cost. This measurement compares the actual cost of resources to the estimated cost. Price variance is calculated by subtracting the estimated cost from the actual cost. Take into account that some of these measurements, such as cost variance, schedule variance, cost performance index, and schedule performance index, are formulas that can show up in the PMP exam. That is it for this week. We have new PMP videos every Thursday. Make sure to subscribe so you can pass that exam.